Have you ever wished you had a tiny little finger to help you guide the fabric under the sewing machine? Hi, I'm Elena, and welcome back to my channel. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own stiletto with tools that you might have around the house. I'm going to show you my tips, tricks, and techniques on how I use the stiletto and why I really like it. Quilting has always been my passion. Over the years, I've tried new and different quilting techniques, and I've always liked to push the boundaries in my quilting. I always looked for ways to use what I had around the house in my quilting. So this is going to be a short video, and you might even find it funny. But this is something that works for me. Let me know in the comments if you use anything in your quilting that is not necessarily designed for quilting. But before we get started, remember to click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and this way you won't miss out on any other future videos. This will help our quilting community grow. And if you'd like a free quilt pattern, check out my website. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to use are going to be these little rubber end caps that you find at any hardware store. They generally go on the end of the ventilated wire shelving. And they're pretty small, pretty affordable actually. When you buy a pack, you can have quite a lot for a very affordable price. And the next thing I'm going to use is actually a wooden chopstick. This is not the chopstick that you would find at the grocery store in a paper pack, but just their own chopsticks that you can buy in sets. So all you do is you put the rubber end cap onto the chopstick. And as you can see, that little rubber addition to the wood, it actually helps you get a little bit of drag and a little bit of grip. So it helps me really move that fabric if I need to when I'm guiding it. And this will protect my fingers from the needle if I happen to get a little bit too close. On the other end of the chopstick, I actually put it in the pencil sharpener and I just sharpened it a little bit. Not too sharp, but I did make it a little bit pointier. So I'm using the rubber cap to help guide it. And if I need to get even closer to the needle, I can use the pointier end. I like this chopstick as a stiletto because it's made out of wood, so it really helps me protect my machine in case it accidentally gets under my needle. If it would be something metal, it would actually damage my needle or my machine. But also, you can make hundreds of these and you can gift them to your friends at a guild or a sewing party. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comments below. Don't keep this video a secret. Share it with your quilty friends. I would love to see your quilts. And sign up for my email list. This way, you will receive a free quilt pattern and behind the scenes speaks. Until next time, keep those sewing machines sewing, embrace the wonky seams, and most importantly, have fun. Happy quilting!